Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to be talking about yet another Udio update. Let's dive right in. So Udio announced today that they are delighted to announce a set of improvements of new features including updates, mobile interfaces, wave downloads, better usability on desktop, and improved tag and song search, including tag autocomplete. And currently for those on the standard and pro plans, the new ability to upload audio for far greater control over your Udio songs. Did you just hear what I said? You can now upload your own audio into Udio. And with this audio feature, you can upload all of our extension features with our Udio 32 model, extending forward and backwards to create a song up to 15 minutes long. And with your audio guiding tempo and mood, this brings your music exploration to a new level, completing your favorite workflows and enabling creativity in new ways. Maybe you've got a great intro but don't know where to go with it next. Or maybe a full mix that's missing the perfect bridge. In both cases, Udio can provide inspiration. And it says, we believe Udio can be a transformative tool for music creation and have much more planned that we can't wait to show you. And then also it says, finally, please note that you must assert a full usage and distribution rights over any audio you upload. Basically, it just says you have the rights to upload this audio. I've already tried it out. Let's dive right into it. First thing I did, I went to Logic Pro and I just created a little quick MIDI loop. And then I uploaded it to Udio. And I'm going to show you how to upload the songs first. So when you go to use this for paid subscribers only. So you click on here and you click on this little upload button. And just like that, you can upload your track. So this was the first one I did. This was the second one I did. Although it says 3, I messed up on I accidentally sent a click track. Then you just click by uploading this file. You attest that you have the right to use and distribute this file. And it says, I understand and confirm. And then you can confirm. Okay, so once you do that, you have your files already here. So this was just a little loop I created. I'll just play it real quick. Something super easy. I was just like, okay, let's just try something real quick and see what it can do. The first couple times it did not, I was still trying to figure out how to incorporate this with everything else. And what I was finding was, because this loop didn't loop when I sent it out, it just extended out to 13 seconds, but the song goes to 9 seconds. So what I was finding here is the song would play, so we got 45 seconds, but it would just play the loop first, then go quiet, and then try to pick up another song. So then I just kept messing with the prompts and started to add intro or add section after, because I was just doing an add section after. So here's just it playing it as it is. So you see this, it just kind of took that silence into consideration.
We shine like stars, light our own way. Baby, ain't nobody spark like we.
Now that vocal melody, I believe, would actually go over that, but it didn't incorporate the two. Okay, let's try this one. So still another pause. This was on the two first generations. So you see, it's kind of getting the vibe of what I was going for, right? Let's try this one here. I still hadn't figured out what was going on here, but it took it. I mean, that is a song. The first part was trash, but it took what I gave and it made a song. This is exactly what we've been wanting. And Udio has just straight up just went straight guns blazing at Suno and delivered it first. Let's try this one here. So, it doubled it right there at the end. You can extend on that, obviously, and make it whatever you're wanting. On this one here, this was probably my favorite outcome for the first track that I done. And I'm going to play this one real quick for you guys and see what you think. It really took what I was working on, just a little simple rhythm, and actually turned it into a song that's actually pretty decent. So let's try it out.
I see dreams are weaving through the air. For some they're near, for some they're rare. Caught in the balance of what we dare. Don't let the light fade. Last night I watched the stars align.
You could take that out and put drums to it yourself and just be fine, Okay, next thing I done is I was like, okay, well, let me track like an actual bass part. So I'm going to show you just a little clip of me playing the parts, that I actually tracked it. And then I'm going to show you kind of what it was doing here. And I'm still learning how to use this stuff and how to utilize it and how you can really get something cool out of it. But I feel like, it's going to be really freaking awesome once we get it figured out. Okay, moving on. Here's the rock song that I did. So here is one of the first ones. Like I tried to like all the ones that I felt like were at least halfway decent. And some are just going to be kind of mess ups, just so I can kind of show you guys what I was experimenting with. If you notice, the more I experimented with the first little loop, the better the song got. So let's try this.
Take the lead, moving closer, feel the speed.
Okay, so from there on, it kind of just played the remainder of that clip. But it did add some cool stuff to the beginning there, little weird artifacts in there somewhere as well. Moving on up here, let's try this one here, Neon No Regrets. See what this one did. Now that one I did, the first one I did was the whole clip of the song, just trimmed out the very end, so where the song part was. I think this is maybe the whole clip too. Okay, I'm going to speed it up a little bit. Okay, so you see it played basically the whole minute of the song before it done anything to it. So let's see what it did after that.
Turn up the music, feel the beat. Yeah, it's a night we won't forget. Shining like the city street.
Sounds like me singing.
Yeah, No time for no regrets. Ready. Get ready. Ready. It's a love's gonna light your spark.
Okay, I mean, I don't know what they was doing. I mean, it sounded like somebody was trying to write a song, which is hilarious. Okay, let's move on up here. City Light Dreams. I don't remember exactly where I cut this one off. I started eventually just to shorten it down to kind of see if I could get it to actually take at least a part of it and make a song, kind of like I did on the other one. So let's see what this one does.
Every day together, all our days. Ooh, underneath the city lights, all I dream about is your hand holding mine.
Okay, so I don't know. I mean, it started cool, kind of took the gist of it and then did something completely different with it. And then they're trying to match the bass tone too. Did you see that? It's kind of close. It's a little chorusy, but it's okay. Wasn't bad.
You got the beat that's in control, yeah, drums.
Keep rolling,
Oh, drums.
keep rolling,
Yeah, drums.
keep rolling.
I never knew how much I'd feel, yeah, drums.
Keep rolling.
So did you see it took my bass line and cut it up and redid that that section right there a little different, and then it incorporated what I played. So I thought that was really interesting that it did that. From here on out, it just does the bass line as it is. Where are we at here? Was it this one? Let's see. Okay, moving on up. So then once I got to figuring out, I kept playing with it and seeing like what differences I could get with it. And it kept taking, it would have liberty with using the bass line and trying to do what it would want with it a lot of different times throughout all. I don't want to play all these that I made for you guys, but just some of the best ones. So let me try this one. Is that the one we were on? Okay, let's try this one.
You got the beat that makes them sway all night long. Yeah, drums! What drums? Feel it!
The reason it was saying drums was because I actually put drums in the prompt because I was trying to get drums to play on there. So it wasn't in the lyric prompt, but it was just in the prompt. But they kept singing about drums. So, okay, let's move on up. Just got a couple more here.
Oh, I try to find my way, but my heart keeps saying, what if I never change? What if I'm stuck in sunshine? Was stuck in time. Yes, to us.
So that's a bit awkward. Kind of, I'm not sure exactly what they were going for there. And then I've got this one here. I don't know what this one play. Why I didn't click on this one. Let's see.
And I've been holding on. Are you still there? I need you more. I need.
Okay, so this one they just took, which was really interesting. They just took like a whole other concept of a song, threw it there, and then just put the little bass lick at the very end of it. So it was really awkward. That's why I didn't click on it. Okay, let's try this one here.
Sorry for the silence. I wish we could defy it. Rewrite the fire. Rewrite the silence. Our melodies echo on. Rewind the
Okay, so that one I feel like really could be used because it kind of took a similar pattern and made a fairly decent little song out of it, and then tried to incorporate you know exactly what I was doing, and it even tried to make like a transition into it, although it was a bit faulty, if you would. But it's like if you're struggling with a part of a song and you're like, man, I got this part, I don't know what to put before it. You could totally get away with putting that before it. Fix that transition part going after it, and then into your part. If you found something that meshed really well, this is what excites me the most about AI music. It's not I can just type a prompt in and get something cool out of it. It's just you're going to be able to. It's going to make creative people more creative. I feel like that's my 2 cents worth. I hope you guys get to try it. I hope you like it. If you're paid subscriber, you'll get to try it for free. Obviously, I just felt this was pretty ballsy. They just went straight at Suno, exactly the thing that they've been teasing for a few weeks now, and they just said, screw it. I don't know how they're able to get this stuff put together faster, but at the rate that Udio is going, Suno is going to have to really step up on their developing game. Honestly, I hate to say that, but I love working with Suno. I think it's very fun to work with, and I think Udio is fun to work with too. But this is going to make me play with Udio far more right now. So, what do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Leave some links to some of the music you create. I'd love to hear it. So, thanks for watching.